Hello, my friends. Victor Dantas here. How are you? I hope you are doing well. It's been a while since I have done lives on LinkedIn. I'm just passing by to let you know that I'll be in Orlando, Florida in a few weeks for Summit NA, Committed Summit NA. And in that event, I'll be teaching a class, an academy class on creating customer portals fully connected with Business Central using Power Pages. So in essence, this is what we are going to be working on together. Let me share my screen and show you. So I have an instance of Business Central right here, and in it that instance is fully connected with Dataverse. And because it is connected with Dataverse through virtual tables, we are able to create experiences such as this. In this dashboard, I am signed on as an employee of one of the customers in BC, and I'm able to surface information from BC here. So in this view, you see that as a customer, I have this balance open, a balance due of about $14,000, and that is I have with that balance, I have still 50%, 15% in credit limit available, a number of service requests, the status, so on and so forth. And I can query data and navigate through the data uh, from Business Central here in Power Pages, where I'm able to collect, or in this case, pay some of my dues, all using Power Pages. So together in one day, we'll be looking into how you can build a similar portal to this one, where you can view the invoice documents, pay invoices, so on and so forth. Create user experiences that leverage data straight from BC instead of creating another layer of integration to consume that data. And just to prove a point, I'm going to show you that this site is indeed fully connected with BC through Dataverse. We are going to query some data here in BC. Sorry, my connection is super slow for some reason, but look at this company name. This is the company that I am signed on as an employee in my portal. And while it loads, I'm going to show you also another view of that. Come on, BC, help me out. Yeah, it's still loading, but the data that you see here is the data that I'm consuming also through Dataverse. And I can make a change. We'll say test Dataverse, save. And if I go back to BC and refresh or reopen this record, hopefully it won't take as long this time. You'll notice that it has the update from Dataverse. Okay, this is what I have done through Dataverse. So now what I have been building, and I intend to show folks that take part in this session, is that because you are able to surface this data in Dataverse, we could actually create a sales automation system, let's say a lightweight CRM in Dataverse that exchanges information with BC. Okay, so your whole sales automation, lead to opportunity, opportunity to sales order, can be managed in Dataverse, not necessarily using a Dynamics 365 sales license, but a lightweight sales automation that you can build with the help of AI. All right. So this is the game plan for that lesson. I would love if you could participate. I have done a similar session in Belgium this summer, 2 days, two workshops, and we had full classes on those. So I hope I can meet you in Orlando in a few weeks. All right. So let's learn together. Let's have AI help us. And if your company uses BC, but not necessarily in the context of requiring a customer portal, we are also showing the same or similar idea, taking a vendor automation or vendor onboard scenario as an example. And this is not yet done for demo, but this is what the portal would look like. There is a dashboard, you can see information there, and this particular application looks a lot like a CRM sales automation, if you will, in terms of look and feel. So we are gonna take a spin and try to create a system that leverages the same look and feel, the same assets that are available in Dynamics 365 in terms of UX and UI, but to create a portal that facilitates vendor onboarding within Business Central. So take a look at the comments, see information about the session. We'll be doing that in Summit NA. And then later on, a week later, we'll take some of the same concepts to Power Platform Community Conference. But in that conference, we'll be looking solely into AI and Power Pages development. How can you use the tools that are made available through AI, be it vibe coding using GitHub Copilot, MCP, Dataverse MCP, for enhancing your performance, your developer performance within Power Pages. So we'll be looking into those things. But for Summit NA, focuses on creating sites that are fully connected with these Business Central. And as a bonus, I'll be giving you tools, enough tools to build your own CRM with the help of AI. We're gonna do this all in one day. Can you believe it? All right, join me. Summit NA. The comments are in the section here, the links to this site, where if you navigate to October 19, you're gonna find my lesson there somewhere right here, where you can build your own website fully connected with BC, no extra integration layer, no craziness dealing with the integration mechanisms that usually fail. It's a straight connection with BP, all right, using virtual tables. So I'll be showing you live in Orlando. So see you in a few weeks. Stay tuned. We're gonna have some announcements on the Zero to Hero front soon. So if you're curious about all these buzzwords, MCP, vibe coding, GitHub Copilot, things like that, using AI to help you develop generative pages. Also, we are going to host a mentorship for that purpose. So stay tuned. I'll make announcements in the coming weeks, and I hope to see you in Orlando or in Vegas or in one of those online mentorship programs. All right, take care. Have a great week. Bye bye.